Sunday. We are gonna do a really good Sunday reset in today's video. I leave for like out of town the day that you're watching this video, so like this whole week is just gonna be super hectic, so I need to make sure I'm clean and ready to go. I've got to get groceries for the rest of this week. I have to clean, do laundry, do my bed, all that fun stuff, and plan my week, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. If you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and click that bell if you enjoy these types of videos, lifestyle, beauty, fashion, hauls, all that stuff. And without further ado, let's get into it because I really need to clean. I'm gonna give you guys a rundown of what everything looks like right now. So I need to do laundry obviously today. I really need to like deep clean my bathroom, take everything off the counters and do that kind of thing. Definitely need to clean my toilet, take the trash out, and then I want to hang that up, but I just don't know how to do it, so I'm just gonna leave it there. I also need to clean like the towels and stuff and then give the grout a good clean. My dogs walk in here all the time and it just gets like so gross and I have been neglecting it. I mean, like the spot where I walk is clean, but it's just like around it, so I really need to clean in here. Moving on into my room, I have a bunch of random things to put away. These I need to do return labels for to get in my car, and then obviously the bed, tidying up, dusting, vacuuming, all that stuff. I do my best to keep up with it throughout the week, but this week's been a little crazy. So I got like a little sick, like a little under the weather. I'm much better now, but I just wasn't keeping up with it for like 2 or 3 days, so it just got like all crazy. And then here and like the main living spaces, I just need to pick up all the dog toys, straighten the couch, vacuum, dust all of this, and then just like the same thing over here with like the floors, pick up the counters, and kind of just give it like a good deep clean so that I can get groceries and cook tonight and feel so much better. You guys, this is what I was saying in my shopping haul that I just posted last week, that I literally need to do a updated perfume collection because I have so many, and I should also do like a top 5, top 10, whatever, like recommendations, but there are so many, like it's not even remotely good looking on my dresser, but whatever, it's fine, but at least the dresser's clean. Okay, so I finished my actual room and like this long hallway leading to my room, but I'm still waiting for my sheets to dry to put on my bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my bathroom just to save time and not just like continue waiting. But I'm definitely trying to do each room and like each section at a time so it just like flows better. Okay, so I just finished cleaning the vanity, I cleaned the huge mirror, and then I also cleaned both the sinks. And I feel like it looks really good and so much better. So now we're gonna move on to the toilet, which definitely needs a good scrub. Need to get behind there and clean, and then also empty that trash, and then clean the shower door, and then, you know, not the door, the shower glass, and then a lot of the molding in here, whatever you call it, grout, the grout. And then I also need to throw this in the wash. grout looks better. I cleaned it to the best of my ability, but I'm sweating, you guys. I'm definitely gonna have some professional cleaners start coming out like once every other week or once a month, just to do like the deeper cleans, because this bathroom's huge. And also I have a 4-bed house and it's just me who really cleans like the main places and the other bedrooms. So it's a lot, but I feel like I did kind of well. I have a brand new rug to set out. Oop, there goes my towel. That's okay, it's clean. So I have a brand new rug. I'm gonna set this out right here. I also have a new towel for a few days and these new hand towels. My boyfriend's mom got me these and I love them. So I'm gonna set these out and hang them. Okay, so the bathroom is looking so much better. It feels so much better in here. This is finally clear. Love to see it. The last thing I need to do is just vacuum, because I'm sure I have hair everywhere, because my hair is always everywhere. And then I'm just gonna Swiffer this area and then I'm done in here. Okay, and here is the final product of the bathroom. I still have to put that glass cleaner away, but oh my gosh, it just feels so much better. I love it. I am a huge fan. Just looks so good. My sheets are still in the dryer and my comforter, so we're just going to move on to the kitchen so then I can go grocery shopping. And it looks like we'll have to do the sheets and comforter a little bit later tonight. To do in the kitchen is to Swiffer. Honestly, putting the toys up won't last too long because they're just gonna get them all out. Hey.
Later.
Okay, so I just got back from Sprouts and we have some groceries for the week, and I'll kind of explain like the food I'm gonna be making and stuff. So I got these chips because I got the pickle de gallo. I've been looking for this everywhere for months from Grillo's, and I saw it at Sprouts and I was freaking out, like amazing. So I got these tortilla chips to go with it. Got baby bella mushrooms for my egg scramble in the morning. These for just like a quick snack with blueberries and PB Fit. And then the proteins for the week are ground chicken and shrimp and salmon. And then also these are really yummy. A lot of protein, 16 grams. And they're gluten-free and they taste super good. So also those for a quick meal. And then I thought that this looked good for whenever I just don't feel like cooking at all. So I got that. And then we have berries. Gonna do shrimp tacos, so we have those for the shrimp. We have 2 white onions and a red, some more berries here, cotton candy grapes, some almond milk, Rayo's, because we still have ground beef from last week at Costco that it's frozen. So we're gonna do like meatballs with pasta and Rayo's. Have regular tomatoes for my omelets, broccoli with salmon for a meal, this for some tuna salad for lunches, apples. I also got salsa because it just looks really good. And then I got some duck pops for the week, my favorite soda literally ever. So good. And then for sweet stuff, I got this Rocky Road snack mix. It looked pretty good. And then these nut butter cocoa cashew cream sandwich cookies. And then some sweet potato puffs that are gonna go with, I think it's the ground chicken. Yeah, I'm gonna do like ground chicken burgers, and so then we have sweet potatoes to go with it. Okay, I can finally finish this room because my sheets and comforter are done. And if I'm being honest, I dread doing this part because I have a king size bed and it's huge and it just takes a long time. So bear with me while I take my breaks. My washer always eats one pillowcase because I only have one now. I'm sure it's somewhere, I just don't know where. So this one does not have a pillowcase right now, but it's fine because it's not like a pillow. Also, like, no one sleeps here, but like it's not a pillow that like you sleep with because it's like really squishy. The hard ones have silk pillowcases, which are what I sleep with. So until I find it, it's just gonna go here for now. I'm also not gonna fully make the bed because it's 7:16 and I'm gonna go to bed in an hour. So all of the decorative pillows and stuff are gonna go to the other side of the bed. I am gonna put this throw on the bed that I got from Anthropology. So cute. And of course, Gabbana, because I have to sleep with Gabbana every night. Ugh. I'm looking a little beat from all of the moving today. Okay, that is it for the Sunday reset. I didn't even get to like my actual laundry, which is crazy. So I'm gonna do that after I end up this video, but I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. I can definitely do another one in the future, but I mean, it's just laundry. This is like everything I do every single Sunday. I always change the sheets on my bed. I wash my sheets once, sometimes twice a week. I always deep clean the kitchen, deep clean my bathroom, and then clean my room. I do have 3 other guest rooms, but unless anyone like spends the night or whatever, like I just don't really pick them up. I do after they leave, but like not every Sunday. Most times I'll just go in there and like vacuum and dust and like leave it at that. But I definitely feel a lot better. I'm ready for the week. We have groceries, we have a clean space. I'm really excited. You guys are seeing this video a week after I film it. So this week coming up is the week that I'm in Vegas. So you guys are gonna have a lot of fun Vegas content coming your way. So stay tuned for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed my little Sunday reset. I hope it motivated you to clean and get something done. I think my motivation of the day is just to remember that what your space looks like is what your mind looks like. I know a lot of people like don't agree with that, but I do, and I feel like most people do agree with that. When your space is super messy, it is so hard for you to function in your mind, and I completely deal with that. Like if my space isn't clean and I have stuff everywhere and it's dirty or just like really unorganized, it's insanely hard for me to feel like I can get stuff done and like have a good accomplished day. So just remember that even setting a 10-minute timer every single day to just rapid fire clean is so much more beneficial than going to bed and dealing with it the next day. There's just something about waking up to your space being clean and ready to go for the day. I love you guys so much. I hope I see you guys in my very next video. Stay happy, stay positive, always be the best version of yourself. Like every single day, strive to be better. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys soon. I love you guys so much. Like I love filming. It's just my whole heart. So, okay. All right. I love you. Bye.